How to fix login error in Weyyak application. First, if you're having any kinds of problem in the application, make sure that your device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on the control center and make sure your Wi-Fi or cellular data is turned on and is connected to a secure network. By doing so, you shouldn't be facing any internet issues while logging in. However, if you are still facing any other kinds of problem while logging in, you can simply go to your settings and tap on your iPhone storage. Here you want to scroll down and navigate yourself to the Weyyak application, and you want to scroll down until you see the application over here. Here's the app we're looking for. Simply tap on it and you want to tap on offload app again, and simply reinstall the application. And what this does is it deletes the application whilst keeping its documents and data, and the next time you log into the app, you shouldn't be facing any issues. However, if you are still facing any other kinds of problem with the app, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.